Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss how to construct the Entity Relationship Diagram or ERD of the project entitled OJT Records Monitoring System. Please don't forget to subscribe on our channel and click the notification bell to receive free updates. The system will serve as a repository for the records of students who participate in on-the-job training in an organization. The system will allow the organization, and specifically the OJT coordinator, to keep track of the progress of the trainee as well as the tasks done by him or her during the program. In addition, the system will store the trainee's records electronically so that they can be retrieved at any time. Using the system will be a dependable and cost-effective experience. This is the first phase of the development of the OJT Records Monitoring System, which will eventually be used as the basis for the production of the actual database that will be used by the system. We will develop an entity relationship diagram for the OJT Records Monitoring System and describe the steps involved in creating the diagram. We will follow the three basic rules in creating the ER diagram. 1. Identify all the entities. 2. Identify the relationship between entities and 3. Add meaningful attributes to our entities. Step 1. We will identify all the entities. Entity is represented by the rectangle shape. The entity will be our database table of OJT Records Management System later on. In the OJT Records Monitoring System we have the following entities. 1. Student 2. Course 3. Enrollment 4. Organization 5. Coordinator 6. Task Information 7. Task Submitted. After we have specified our entities, it is time now to connect or establish a relationship among the entities. 1. The student can only be a part of one class or one course, one-to-one relationship. 2. Student can receive notifications from their coordinator, one-to-N relationship. 3. Student can only enroll or register once in an OJT program, one-to-one relationship. 4. Student will submit requirements based on the deliverables set by their coordinator, one-to-N relationship. 5. Task information is included in the submissions of the students, one-to-N relationship. 6. Enrollment record is attached to the task information to archive the list of requirements per school year, one-to-N relationship. 7. An organization can handle multiple trainees. It will depend on the manpower they need, one-to-N relationship. 8. An OJT program is also a subject requirement, which means that it is also a class or section. Based on that description, the coordinator can handle multiple class sections that will take the OJT program, one-to-N relationship. The last part of the ERD process is to add attributes to our entities. Student. Student ID-primary key represented with underline. School ID number. Complete name. Course ID-foreign key. Contact number. Email address. Username. Password. Course. Course ID-primary key represented with underline. Course code. Course name. Enrollment. Enrollment ID-primary key represented with underline. School year. Student ID-foreign key. Coordinator ID-foreign key. Organization ID-foreign key. Organization, primary key represented with underline. Organization name. Company background. Contact person. Contact number. Company address. Company email. Coordinator. Coordinator ID-primary key represented with underline. Coordinator name. Contact number. Email address. Username. Password. Task information. Task ID-primary key represented with underline. Task code. Task name. Description. Deadline. Enrollment ID-foreign key. Task submitted, primary key represented with underline. Task ID. Student ID. Uploaded file. Date of submission. Remarks. Score. Notification. Notif ID-primary key represented with underline. Message. Send to, foreign key. User. User ID-primary key represented with underline. Complete name. Username. Password. The ER diagram will serve as a guide and a source of reference for the developers while they create the actual database for the project. ER diagram. If you have gained any knowledge from our post on how to build and construct an ER diagram for OJT records monitoring system, please feel free to pass it on to other people. Thank you for watching. For more free capstone projects ideas and resources, please subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates on our channel. You may also reach us on our Facebook page and website.